my name is Jasmine and this is my mom. So today we will show you how to make simple spring roll that can make you interested to eat healthy food because there are some vegetables that can make it more colorful. It's simple. You can use all the ingredients that you have in your kitchen. You can also make it for your breakfast, for lunchbox, and also you can bring it as a snack for your trips and picnic. So first, I will show you the ingredients and the tools. So first, we need a rice paper. Okay, after that, we need a small amount of water. After that, we need vegetable such as fresh lettuce, purple cabbage, a slice of tomatoes and cucumber, and a boil of carrots, corn, and peas. Okay, for the protein, we use shrimps, but you can use any other that you wanted, like scrambled eggs, tempeh, or chicken breast. We use sesame roasted for the dressing, and for the tools, we need plate, we need glass for the water, and the brush for apply the water. After that, we need plastic gloves. Okay, so my mom will show you how to make it. So let's just get started. Hello everyone, let me to tell you about the making of spring roll that explained by my dear daughter. Don't forget to wash your hand and the vegetables to remove the dirt and bacteria. First, put a piece of rice paper, put at the plate, and then apply a small amount of water like this. Use the brush. Use water to soften and easy to roll and fold the rice paper. Can you help me to put some vegetables such as fresh lettuce and then purple cabbage. We have a slice of tomatoes and cucumber. Okay. And a bowl of carrots, corn, and peas. We can spread it here. And the protein. Okay. We use shrimp for the protein. Just put it here above the rice paper. After that, we just can start to fold and roll the spring roll like this. It's simple, right? Simple, right? So easy. Yeah. Oh, for the roll, you can depends on your creativity. You can put the shrimp above it or just roll with the vegetable. And we use sesame roasted. Okay. Here it is. Enjoy it.
Kampung